Space is amazing. The sheer vastness of it, along with the trillions upon trillions of objects in the many galaxies of the universe, is almost incomprehensible to the human brain. This video will be about the most incredible, awe-inspiring, and unbelievable facts about space. Whether it's for kids looking to learn more about space, or you're looking for incredible facts for an article, or even if you just love space facts, this is for you. Number 1. Space is completely silent. There's no atmosphere in space, which means that sound has no medium or way to travel to be heard. Astronauts use radios to stay in communication while in space, since radio waves can still be sent and received. Number 2. A full NASA suit costs $12 million. The entire suit costs a cool $12 million. 70% of that cost is for the backpack and control module. Number 3. There may be a planet made of diamond. As space facts go, this is pretty impressive. Research by Yale University scientists suggests that a rocky planet called 55 Cancri, which has a radius twice Earth and a mass 8 times greater, may have a surface made up of graphite and diamond. It's 40 light-years away, but visible to the naked eye in the constellations of Cancer. Number 4. According to mathematics, white holes are possible, although as of yet, we have not found one. A white hole is a hypothetical region of space-time which cannot be entered from the outside, although matter and light can escape from within basically. It's the reverse of a black hole. Number 5. Footprints on the moon will be there for 100 million years. The moon has no atmosphere, which means there's no wind to erode the surface and no water to wash the footprints away. This means the footprints of the Apollo astronauts, along with spacecraft prints, rover prints, and discarded material will be there for millions of years. Number 6. If two pieces of the same type of metal touch in space, they'll bond together and be permanently stuck together. This amazing effect is called cold welding. It happens because the atoms of the individual pieces of metal have no way of knowing that they're different pieces of metal, so the lumps join together. This wouldn't happen on Earth because there's air and water separating the pieces. The effect has a lot of implication for spacecraft construction and the future of metal-based construction in vacuums. Number 7. Coca-Cola was the first commercial soft drink that was ever consumed in space. Coca-Cola was the first soft drink ever taken into space by John Glenn during the Friendship 7 mission in 1962. Number 8. There is a volcano on Mars 3 times the size of Mount Everest. At 600 kilometers wide and 21 kilometers high, Olympus Mons is a volcano on Mars that may still be active. It's the tallest peak of any planet. Number 9. A light year is the distance covered by light in a single year. Light moves at the velocity of about 186,400 miles or 300,000 kilometers in a second. So 1 light year equates to roughly 5,903,26,326,255 miles. Number 10. The International Space Station circles Earth every 92 minutes. The speed of the International Space Station as it orbits Earth is roughly 17,150 miles per hour. That equates to 5 miles a second. This much is for today, viewers. Please subscribe for more videos like this. If you find the video informative, press the like button and kindly provide your valuable feedback in the comment section. Thank you to all the viewers.